Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's look, I am going to use the James Charles palette. I'm starting off with doing my eyebrows with the Benefit Brow Pencil. What I like to do is start off by lining the bottom of my eyebrow, going towards the end, and then just filling it out. And I also brush my eyebrows. And then I'm gonna go ahead with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to clean up my eyebrows, and I'm using this brush. So I just go on the bottom of my eyebrow and bring the concealer all the way and then just drag it down. And I bring it down all the way to my lid, and then if I don't have any, I just add a little bit more concealer and then just blend all that in. So here's the James Charles palette. I'm starting off with this purple shade. So this is going to be the darkest color I use today. So I just put it on there and trying to blend it as I go as well. So now I'm going to go in with this pink shade and put it on the side of that pink. So this is going to go all the way down. And I'm just tapping it and blending, tapping, blending. So now I'm going with the orange to blend out the pink. So I just put it on the top of the pink and I'm just blending that in, making sure I don't have any harsh lines. Then I'm adding more pink because when I blended it, it just seemed to look less pink, more faded. Now I'm going with this light purple to try to blend the dark purple, but I ended up just blending it out with this brush, and I didn't put any color on it. So I'm just blending everything and then adding more purple. So I just blend and then add more color. So now I'm using this makeup remover with a piece of napkin to clean up where I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna use my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to cut my crease, and I'm using a flat brush from the Makeup Shack. So I go all the way, well, not all the way, but I stop right there. So now I'm gonna go in with the dark purple and just add more product, and then I'm gonna add pink, blend it in with the purple, and then I'm also gonna add orange and then just blend that with the pink, and then I do add color as I go as well. So now I'm gonna go in with that sparkly white, just putting that on the rest of my lid. For my primer, I'm gonna use the Smashbox Redness reducer because my face is red. So I'm just applying that for my foundation, Studio Skin Hydrating Foundation, and I'm gonna just add some product and then blend it with my beauty blender. I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild Dual contour stick for my contour. Then I just add the product and then I'm gonna blend it out with this brush. Just blend, 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 blend. Now I'm going with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer again for my concealer under my eyes. And then I'm just gonna apply it with this brush and then blend it with my beauty sponge. Okay, so now I'm gonna use these lashes. Just put them on, and then for my lip liner, I'm gonna use the Italia Deluxe Lip Liner. And I've been loving this duo that I'm using, so I just used the Italia Deluxe liner, and I go in with the Milani lipstick. So I just line my lips with this liner. Then I will show you the Milani lipstick I use. I just been loving it. So this is the Milani lipstick I use. It's like a light pink, kind of. I think it just looks beautiful together. So I'm going with this Mario Badescu, and then just applying that. I'm gonna go in with this brush so I can put a little bit of product under my eyes, and that's it. That's my look for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.